A New York State appeals court rejected Donald Trump's attempt to overturn a gag order that prevents the former U.S. president from publicly discussing court staff involved in his ongoing civil fraud trial in Manhattan. The mid-level state appeals court, known as the Appellate Division, ruled on Thursday, December 14, that the gag order did not have a significant impact. Here, the gravity of potential harm is small, given that the gag order is narrow, limited to prohibiting solely statements regarding the court staff, the order read. A judge initially paused the gag order on November 16 when Trump appealed, but a panel of judges reinstated it 2 weeks later. The ex-pres has now requested permission from the Appellate Division to appeal the order's reinstatement to the Court of Appeals, New York's highest court. Trump's lawyers did not provide an immediate response to the court's decision. The trial, in which testimony ended on Wednesday, centers around a lawsuit brought by the New York Attorney General, who is seeking to fine Trump a minimum of $250 million and limit his ability to conduct business in the state. The lawsuit alleges that Trump lied about his net worth in order to deceive lenders. Judge Arthur Engoron, who was presiding over the case, already determined Trump's financial statements were fraudulent, narrowing the focus of the trial to the issue of damages. Closing arguments are expected on January 11, after which Engoron will issue a written verdict. Judge Engoron imposed a fine of $15,000 on Trump for twice violating the gag order. The gag order was initially put in place after the court received threatening messages from Trump supporters in response to a post made by the former president. According to Engoron, the post inundated the court with hundreds of threats. The suit is only one of several legal challenges Trump currently faces as he campaigns to secure the Republican nomination for the November 2024 presidential election. Trump is currently charged with 91 counts across 4 separate indictments in D.C., New York, Georgia, and Florida. The charges include solicitation, racketeering, forgery, false statements, obstruction, conspiracy against civil rights, and the willful retention of national defense information. He could face up to 300 years behind bars if he's found guilty of every charge. The Midas Touch obtained quotes and sources used in this article.